Mamangal Beach is situated at Barangay Balite in the town of Virac, Catanduanes. Barangay Balite is known for its long white beaches. The name Balite originates from the abundance of balite trees in the area, particularly near the sea where the early inhabitants engaged in salt baking. So now we're cruising through Barangay Balite, still part of Virac, and the scenery is just wow. It's a reminder why I love riding on a motorcycle. You can feel the pace of life slow down, just like the road unwinding before us. It's a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Mamangal Beach is known for its untouched beauty, a place where nature reigns supreme. It's a slice of paradise, a refuge where time seems to slow down and nature takes center stage. There's something incredibly therapeutic about the sound of the ocean. It's like a natural soundtrack for relaxation. I could spend hours just watching the waves roll in. This place is truly a hidden gem. The sand here is so fine and soft, and the water is crystal clear. It's the perfect place to unwind and escape from the hassle and bustle of everyday life, and find solace in the embrace of nature. I'm just taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, and it's absolutely breathtaking. The gentle breeze, the sound of the waves, it's incredibly calming. What makes this beach so special is its secluded feel. It's surrounded by lush greenery, creating a sense of privacy and tranquility. You can truly disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature here. Moments like this reminds me of the importance of slowing down and appreciate the simple things in life. It's easy to get caught up in the chaos of everyday life, but taking time to connect with nature is so essential. I feel very lucky to be here. This beach is a perfect example of why Catanduanes is called the Happy Island. It's a place where you can find peace, beauty, and sense of wonder. Whether you're looking for a relaxation getaway or a place to explore nature, this beach has it all. This is the life. Nothing beats a day at the beach, especially after a great ride. Feeling refreshed and recharged. I'm gonna enjoy this view for a bit. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this ride with me.